Hello, my name is Barbara Warren, and I have a little tidbit to tell you about when I was born. I was born in the blizzard of 1935 on January 24th, and I was the only child born in Staten Island Hospital at the time. The nurses called me Blizzy Liz, and my mother told me that she called the doctor, Dr. Law, and told him she was ready to go on Saturday, on Wednesday. And he said to her, if you make it, I'll make it to the hospital. So they both went to Staten Island Hospital, and the doctor's car was stuck for a week after I was born. Up until the time my father died, he called me Blizzy Liz.